Imagine moving into the new year without luggage from the previous year. So here are some tips on how you can clean up your house for the new year, proudly brought to you by CleanerOnCall.com. 1. Pack up your Christmas decors. Oftentimes, cleaning up after a big festive season such as Christmas can be quite challenging, such that you could find yourself struggling with where to start. Start by carefully stripping the Christmas tree and all the decoration. Ensure to thrash items that cannot be reused, and carefully pack others such as the tree, the ornaments and lights into a safe box and return them to the storeroom. It is important to keep your Christmas lights from tangling by wrapping them in paper towel tubes or making tubes out of old newspapers. You should wind the cord around the roll starting with the side opposite the plug and insert the plug inside the tube's opening. 2. Take out your carpets. To thoroughly clean your home, you need to be able to access the bare floor. You could just vacuum your carpets, but it is more advisable to take them out of the interior to clean. That way, you also have a complete access to the bare floor of your space for thorough sweeping, mopping and drying before returning the already vacuumed carpet in place. 3. Don't vacuum around furniture. You should move it. Now, many people have the old habit of vacuuming around furniture rather than moving them out of the way. That's not what we should call deep cleaning. Now, if it's a bed, we can understand because beds are heavy, bulky and hard to move. But if it's a dining room chair, a coffee table or something small, you should move it out of the way and vacuum thoroughly. 4. Clean up and sanitize the kitchen. Start the kitchen cleaning from your refrigerator. Empty your refrigerator and bring out all the drawers. Wash them thoroughly, then clean the inside. And don't forget to also clean drawers that cannot be removed. You should extend the favor to your gas, oven, microwave, countertops, and make sure to get rid of remnants from the festive cooking. 5. Bring things outside for cleaning. Okay, so let's say you have many throw rugs, a dog bed for your puppy, or throw pillows on the sofas. You can't really vacuum these easily or put them in the washing machine, so your best bet is to take them outside and give them a good thorough shake. Or better still, you go old school, hang them on a clothesline and beat them with a broom. 6. Get low when deep cleaning. Many people make the mistake of cleaning at eye level or countertops, table level at the most. The thing is, all sorts of dirt, dust and debris collect on the floor. It's a nightmare under the fridge, and the kitchen floor can be a wasteland of food bits and particles. So, don't forget to get down low and clean at ground level. It's the only way to get a true deep clean. 7. Don't forget appliances. We suggest cleaning appliances such as the washing machine and dishwashers every month. They are often overlooked, but not for the New Year big clean. It is never complete without cleaning the appliances. 8. Air out the house. While you are deep cleaning, consider opening windows and doors to air the house. The fresh air will leave your home smelling wonderful and eliminate the stale air inside. If you live in an area where it's a little chilly during the New Year cleaning, don't leave your windows and doors open for too long, just enough to freshen things a bit. Now with these tips, I am pretty sure that you will have yourself a very clean home ready to start off the new year in. I'd like to hear from you in the comments section. Tell us about the tips you find the most useful, and also, if you'd like us to make a video on a very special topic, drop us a line and we'll take it up from there. We also have a free PDF gift for you to download below in the comment section. Make sure to share with your family and friends, subscribe to the channel, and make sure to go to CleanerOnCall.com for all of your professional cleaning services.